Welcome to the world of seamless customer communication with the WhatsApp Business API. As businesses evolve in the digital realm, choosing the right hosting solution becomes essential. Opt for the hands-on control of an on-premises setup or the flexibility of Meta's cloud-based option, tailoring your choice to meet your unique business needs. Verification is your gateway to all the API features. Begin by setting up a Business Manager account with Meta and submit the necessary documentation for business verification. A dedicated phone number is crucial. Ensure it's new to avoid conflicts, as it won't support WhatsApp Web. The WhatsApp Manager and Meta Business Manager is where the magic happens. Here, you'll integrate numbers, manage templates, and analyze customer interactions. Following this, integrate the API with existing systems and focus on application development, keeping in mind the importance of template approval. Compliance and training are key to a successful rollout, so educate your staff thoroughly. Once your setup is complete, launch the system and keep an eye on engagement metrics to optimize interactions. Ready to enhance your business communication? For further guidance, we're here to help every step of the way.